welcome to the
aware that Erica sent people to harm me in my home. Imagine that. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Look at my damn, look how it's swollen. All because of this mad woman. She won't stop. She won't stop her nonsense. Keisha Ann, stop laughing. It's not funny. You're gonna make me bawl. If you keep laughing, I am gonna cry. Because you're gonna make me bawl. My lip is hurting me right now. But I'm still trying to talk. What are you laughing about? What is wrong with you, Erica? What is wrong with you? Erica got someone to come cough in my damn lip, and I had to lick them with my damn crutch, Sharon Hamilton. Look at even my eyes is welling up with water, but I'm holding back the tears. I'm holding back the tears because of you, you mad woman. You mad woman. Leave me alone. Leave me and my family alone. We don't care for you. We do not care for you, Erica. Do you realize I barely trouble you? Do you realize I barely say nothing about you? Look how many lives you have about me, and I barely respond. The only reason why I responded to you yesterday was because you went and touched my little cousin, my little 11-year-old, my little 9-year-old cousin. And now look at it. You got your goons to come and cough in my damn lip. Now my lip is swollen, and I had to lick them with my damn crutch. And now they've gone to jail. Now they've got locked up. They've gone to the police station in handcuffs. How do you feel? Imagine if they would have had. Imagine if they would have tried to shoot me or stab me or something, Erica. Is this how you plan to live your life for the rest of your life? Hatred and lies and fabrication. Is this how you plan to live your life, lady? This is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. Don't laugh. It's not funny, Vivian. Don't laugh. She got people to come and try and hurt me. Imagine if they would try and kill me. What would you guys be laughing now? Or luckily, all they could do was cuff me my damn lip. That's all they could do was cuff me my lip. Enough of you, Erica. Enough of you. Enough of you, lady. Stop with your bullshit. Stop it. Stop with your bullshit, Erica. Stop it. Stop getting people to try and attack me. I live in England. You live all the way in Jamaica. You live all the way in Jamaica. I live more than 4,000 miles away from you. More than 4,000 miles from you. Never once have I ever cross paths with you, and never once will I ever want to cross paths with you either. Leave me, my family alone, lady. You know what? I'm gonna put a ratchet on them. Watch, let them attack again. Let them attack again, and you people are gonna hear about it. You people are gonna hear about it. Please, I swear to God, police are gonna take me away in handcuffs too. For the big M. For the big M. Because you're doing too much, Erica. And clearly everyone on here, they're afraid of you. They are afraid of you to call you out for your bull. And clearly they can take that Lorraine, but no one can seem to be taking you down for all of your hate speech and everything you continue to do on here, your bad behaviors. They don't want to take you down. Why? Is it because they're afraid of you? Well, I'm not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you, Erica Machin. And I'm not afraid of you. Nor am I afraid of your goons, especially the ones you tried to attack me today and buff my lip, and I had to lick them in my damn crotch. Anyways, enough of me, guys. Enough of me. Listen. If I continue to talk about it, I'm gonna bawl, and I do not want to cry. I don't want to cry. I wanna laugh. I wanna joke. Okay, so why is my lip so swollen then, you crazy woman, Yvonne? Why is my damn lip so swollen? I'm telling the truth. Someone came and tried and punch my damn lip for that mad woman. Well, they hit me in my damn face, in my mouth, and swallowed my damn lip, and I had to lick them in my crotch. I'm gonna block you. If you say one more thing I don't like, I'm going to block you. Because clearly you are from Erica's page. What are you doing here? Go over there with your hate speech. I have no time for your hate speech or your hatred. Get off my page. Get off my page, Yvonne. Yvonne, get off my page. What's her name? Yvonne BN, get off my... I'm going to block you. I'm going to block you. I'm blocking you. How can you tell me? How can you tell me what's happened to me before it's not happened to me? How can you tell me? Is it your lips that's swollen or is it my lip that's swollen? Is it you guys' lip that got licked or is it my lip that got slapped? Well, both. Is it you guys' lip or is it my lip? And I had to defend myself with my damn crotch. Is it you guys or is it me? Don't tell me I'm lying. Do not tell me I'm lying. I'm not a liar. One thing I don't do is tell lies on nobody. I don't tell lies on nobody on here. Nobody. And I have no need to tell lies on that mad woman too. They said, they come in and said, leave Erica alone. And both be my damn lip. And I had to lick them in my, I drove for the club. I had to lick them in my damn crotch. I had to lick them in my crotch. Go and ask her if she has my address or not. If she has my address. Erica has my address. She has it. I don't know how she got it, but she's got my address. So clearly you guys can't tell me nothing. None of you can tell me nothing. None of you can tell me I'm lying. None of you. Whether you believe it or not, I don't care. Whether you guys believe it or not, I do not care. The police gone with them. The police gone with them. They got arrested. They got arrested. They got arrested. They got arrested. Because the police was close by. And anyhow she comes out and says, you know what I would do, guys? I can prove to you guys right now she has my address. I can prove it to you because I took a screenshot of her having my address. She even put it on her damn... She has my address. So how can you guys tell me what she's... How can you guys know what this mad woman is capable of or not? When who would live on her? Lies he told. Lies he told. If she don't say nothing about me, I don't go for her. Lies he told. You, Tyann, whatever your name is, lies he told. She has to say things about me first before I say anything about her. That is one thing I am sure of. Go back and look at the statistics. Don't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Tyann, what you see your name Tyann because you're a damn lion. You should change your name to Lion and not Tyann. Change it to Lion because you are a liar. Stop with the lies on here. Stop with the lies on here. Look at my damn lip. Look at my lip. What's funny about this? She's capable of anything. Anything. Seriously. Because what? What the hell are you talking about? Anyways, guys, I'm coming up with that conversation because I feel like so many people on here are trying to ridicule me, and I'm not gonna allow any of you to ridicule me. In fact, I don't want to block any of you. So let me come up with that conversation. Tell that mad woman to leave me alone and stop sending her goons to my property. The police, listen, it's now in the hands of the police. Look out for Scotland Yard to contact you too, mad woman. Look out for Scotland Yard to contact you too. Exactly, we are all one. However, some of them don't see it that way, Diane. They don't see it that way. They don't. They support some and tear down the others, like myself, always getting torn down, torn down, torn down, and torn down, and torn down. Anyways, listen, if I continue to talk about this whole topic, I'm gonna get upset. I'm going to get upset, and I don't want to get upset anymore. Anyways, I've got something. Someone called me and said, literally a couple minutes ago, said, Dwayne, you need to hear this, right? You need to hear this. And watch out, I'm forget me damn because I'm thinking about this whole damn mess that someone has got me into. And now I'm gonna have to give statement to the police. Now I'm gonna have to give statement to the police, mad woman.